This lake is an artificial lake located 13 kilometers south of Bolu city center. This lake is a man-made reservoir situated at an altitude of 17 meters. The lake covers a large expanse of water with an average depth of 4.5 hectares and a circumference of approximately 1,300 meters. The lake and its environs have been declared a natural park and taken under protection during the year. It attracts visitors intensively for resting, seeing, taking photos, resting, cycling, picnicking and angling at certain times, surrounded by a variety of pine, fir, beech, hornbeam, and mixed tree species. This lake is home to the iconic state guest house of the Ministry of Agriculture and Forestry, which has become a symbol of the lake's charm and appeal. This lake is an artificial pond. Although it is an artificial lake, it has a spectacular view in all seasons. It is among the most frequented points of both visitors and photographers. This lake is one of the most visited areas, especially in summer, because it contains every shade of green dot. In addition to the state guest house, the lake offers a restaurant, cafeteria, masjids, buffets, and bungalow-style accommodations. The Ministry of Agriculture and Forestry has designated the lake and its surroundings as a nature park and prohibited car access around the small lake. Visitors can enjoy hiking trails, viewing terraces, and picnic areas, making it an ideal destination for sports and recreational activities. With its exceptional climate, this lake is one of Turkey's most inviting destinations that should not be missed. This lake is located in the Bolu province of northwestern Turkey. The lake is surrounded by mountains and forests. It is a popular destination for fishing, swimming, and boating. There are a number of hotels and restaurants located around the lake. To get to Lake, you can take a bus from the city of Bolu. The bus ride takes about 30 minutes. Once you arrive at Uk, you can enjoy a variety of activities. You can go fishing, swimming, or boating. You can also hike or bike around the lake. There are a number of restaurants and cafes located around the lake, where you can eat and drink. If you are looking for a relaxing and beautiful place to spend a day, this is a great option. The lake is surrounded by stunning scenery and there are plenty of activities to keep you busy. The lake is surrounded by dense forests and offers stunning views of the surrounding mountains. Natural beauty. Lake is renowned for its natural beauty. It is a crater lake formed within an extinct volcano, giving it a unique and picturesque setting. The crystal clear waters of the lake, combined with the lush greenery and mountain backdrop, create a scenic landscape that attracts visitors throughout the year. Outdoor activities. Lake offers a range of outdoor activities for visitors to enjoy. Hiking is a popular choice, with several trails winding through the surrounding forests and offering breathtaking views of the lake. The area is also suitable for picnicking, camping, and nature walks. During the winter season, when the lake freezes over, it is possible to engage in ice skating and ice fishing. Flora and fauna. The natural park is home to a diverse range of flora and fauna. The surrounding forests consist of various tree species, including pine, fir, and beech. Wildlife such as deer, wild boars, foxes, and various bird species can be spotted in the area, making it an attractive destination for nature enthusiasts. Facilities. The natural park provides basic facilities for visitors, including parking areas, picnic spots, and restroom facilities. However, it's advisable to bring your own food, water, and other supplies, especially if you plan to spend a significant amount of time in the park. When planning a visit to Lake, it's recommended to check the weather conditions, as well as any specific regulations or entry requirements that may be in place. It's important to respect the natural environment and follow any guidelines to help preserve the beauty of the area.